Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dress Up Catch Up. So for today's video I'm going to show you guys easy and different hairstyles for short hair. So let's get started. So first hairstyle is a very simple one. You just have to divide your hair into two sections and braid them, and at the end just tie them together with a rubber band. So for the next hairstyle I have made two front baby braids, and you can do many variation with that. Either you can go for half ponytail or either a bun, just like I have done. So for hairstyle number 3, just make two low ponytails and then go down a few inches and add a rubber band and continue that step until the end. Hairstyle number 4 is again a very simple one. You just have to part your hair on one side and just braid like you normally do, and just accessorize it however you want to do. So for the last hairstyle, just divide your hair into two sections and secure the top portion of the hair into a ponytail, and then add another rubber band down a few inches from the first one and continue to add more till the end, and repeat that same step on the other side as well.